Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can find all your real history on the Facebook app. Please watch till the end to fully understand the tutorial. If this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we upload new videos. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and then tap on the menu. Next, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Preference section and tap on your time on Facebook. From there, tap on Save Time and then on See Activity Log. Scroll down and tap on Groups, Communities, Events, and Reels. There you'll find Reels audio you've saved, and history on the Facebook app. And that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.